So this is the circle, and the circle is passing from the origin. That means circumference is passing from the origin, and it cut the intercept on the x-axis. That length is a, and the intercept on y-axis, let this is the b, and according to geometry a is less than 2b. Okay, so you have to find the equation of circle. So equation of circle, you have to need the coordinate of center. So if I draw the perpendicular from the center, so by property of circle, this line will divide it into two equal parts. That means the coordinate of this point will be a by 2. So this coordinate is a by 2. Similarly, if I draw the perpendicular on the b, so again it will divide into b by 2. So let the center coordinate of circle is a by 2 comma b by 2. Now you have to find the radius. So you can see that this is the radius, and their distance from this to this, we can find the radius also. So we will find the radius of circle. So by the distance formula, we can find the radius of circle. You can see that this is the radius of circle, and under root a square plus b square divided by 4. Complete in the root. Okay. Now we have to find the equation of circle, and you know that the equation of circle, let I consider this is the point P, which coordinate I consider x comma y, and now using again the distance formula and find the equation of circle. So using the distance formula, you can see that apply the distance formula from center to this coordinate. So x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. You can see that. So entire equation, when you will solve and you will substitute the value of r square here, so this will be cancelled. So the value of equation of circle which passing through origin and cut two different unequal intercept on x-axis and y-axis.